Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pearl. For those of you who are watching me for the first time, if this is not your first time here, thank you for stopping by, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by as well. So I've been away from YouTube for a while, and at first I was like taking a break from YouTube because I was kind of discouraged because I spend hours editing, and I don't get the desired outcome that I expect, and that doesn't really encourage you to keep creating videos. I don't even know if I'm creating this one, I don't even know how many people are going to be watching it. But also I've been away from YouTube as well, and my Instagram account, for those of you that follow me, and you know that I create makeup looks. I do makeup looks on my page. I've been away as well because a bunch of things are happening around me, and my mind hasn't, well, how would I put this, I haven't been in the right mental state to actually pick up a brush and do makeup on my face. That has been, to be honest with you, usually makeup makes me feel better. I started doing makeup actually as a way to help with anxiety and depression or whatever I was feeling with. It actually kind of just helped melt away my whatever problems I was facing. But during these times I can't even pick up a brush to do makeup, and makeup used to be my outlet, so it's very frustrating. But I had to force myself to get up and stop sitting around in the house doing nothing, force myself to go back to doing the things that I love to do. So my very first video coming back is going to be a video where I use black owned makeup brands to create a makeup look. Now I have a bunch of them spread out on my table that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you each product that I use, and I'm also going to be listing them in the description box as well. So yeah, without further talking, I am going to be going straight to the video. The first product I'm going to be using is this crayon case brow pomade, and I'm going to be using that to fill in my brows. So to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place concealer. This is their shade number 13. I'm going to be using the matte look palette by the Crayon Case, and I'll be we're going into this orange shade right here. I'm going to be using these pigments by the Dutchess Cosmetics. Is their neon pigments, and they look like this. This is an orange pigment. I actually just tapped that pigment on. I noticed that pigments like the pigments that I use apply better when I am I gently tap them on. But don't try to swipe the pigments across. I would just, if you're having problems applying pigments, I would say tap it on. Don't try to swipe it across, because then the pigments don't apply properly, they start cracking. I don't like when they crack. I'm going to be using lash glue to stick the glitter because I can't find my glitter glue. So I'm also going to be using this gold glitter that I got from Amazon. I'm going to be using This is actually my first time trying out this foundation, and this is the Range Beauty True Intentions Hydrating Foundation. This is the shade Saharan Rose. I like the match of the foundation. It fits my complexion perfectly. It's not drying my skin out. I have dry skin, and it's sitting perfectly on my skin, and it looks pretty good in person. Does it look good on camera? But I love the way it looks. I love the way the foundation applied is very lightweight. It doesn't dry out my skin. It feels kind of moisturizing. They said it has hyaluronic acid inside. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about the hyaluronic acid on the bottle, but I'm pretty sure on the website it had hyaluronic acid. So that would explain why it has like these slims and it looks radiant. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. It looks radiant. Like it looks like my skin is glowing. The match of this foundation reminds me of the Huda Beauty foundation. That foundation was another one that was like my perfect match. I was like in the shade Mocha. Yeah, it reminds me of that match. It reminds me of that foundation, I mean. Anyways, next I'm going to be using the Juvias Face foundation. The Juvias Face concealer in the shade number 13. So I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Stick Foundation in the shade Katsina to contour. I'm going to be using the Luscious by Cosmetics Butternut Beige Powder. And yeah, this is one of my favorite powders. Like, it sets your face, no flashback. Powder is beautiful. Also, this powder does not it doesn't increase the appearance of fine lines. Like, your face is going to be smooth no matter how much powder you put on. Like, your face is going to be smooth. I'm going to be using Mented Cosmetics. This is their Night lip liner, and then I am going to be going into their lip pencils, and this is the shade Sand Nudes. The last thing I'm going to be adding is this Rosewood Cosmetics gloss. It's so cute. This gold lip gloss, perfect for the summer, and this is the shade Joy. The last thing I'm going to be going into is this Anglowla highlighter by the Crayon case. I'm dusting it away because it's very easy for you to use too much of this, and let me tell you, this highlighter is so pretty. Rihanna does own part of the shears, so I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami Bronzer. I'm going to be using this Beauty Bakery Sweet Grace setting spray to set. You guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you enjoyed this look, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.